Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to draw plane reinforcement concrete footing using my developed program in just one click in an extremely easy way. In the previous video we have done finishing drawing this reinforced concrete footings, okay, and here I'm gonna type here PCC, offset from reinforced concrete. This the offset from reinforced concrete, I will make it 10 centimeters. The thickness of plain concrete footings also I will make it 10 centimeters. Okay, I'm gonna select object and select all, and as you see, for every footing the program recognized what is this footing and what is the dimension on every detail, and then he made this thing. I'm gonna select similar here, and I'm gonna take the axis to make professional drawing. I will take a copy here. Here all of the plain concrete footing, and for the tag I will type tag, select objects here, and everything the same here. As you see, the footing same dimension, just offsetting 10 centimeters, and also the same tag, but as dash for PCC footing. And I'm gonna to double check, I'm gonna tag here also to see just F55 and this F5 dash here, footing 1 and footing 1 dash. And for dimension also I will type DINP, select here, and as you see, just 2 clicks and we have finished a professional drawing for reinforced concrete footing and for plain concrete footing as well.